Hello everyone. First of all, I introduce myself. I am Christopher Monton Leop, but I preferred to be called Chris. I am senior high school student with a passion for learning and growth. I am currently studying in Scamboyo High School. I am taking technical vocational livelihood and major in electrical installation and maintenance. And I am working hard to achieve my academic excellence. My goal is 18 years old, turning 19 on May 3, 2025. And my goal is to excel academically and pursue higher education. I am responsible, diligent, and driven individual who is always eager to take on new challenges. I have one quote. I believe that the importance of hard work, perseverance, teamwork in achieving success. My hobbies is cooking, doing household chores, and enjoy communicating with other people, such as I attend BLT or Basic Leadership Training at Maambong Ross Park during February 8 and 9, 2025, and I am helping other people with their problems and completing projects. I also curious about acquiring new knowledge, and I value the importance of having good friends and classmates, and my aim is to contribute positively to community. And thank you. Bye bye.